welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana. So today I have a synthetic wig for you guys. This is from FridayNightHair. You guys know that I reviewed for them previously. A lot of you guys like my synthetic wigs and the ones that I apply. So today I have a FridayNightHair hair tutorial. Now this was definitely supposed to be out months ago, you guys, let me tell you, but I'm here for it. I'm here for it. And I'm glad that I can give you guys synthetic wigs back to back because there will be more. So today, this is the FridayNightHair GLS201. This is the card that it comes with, you guys, and I have mine in a 1B. So I do want to go ahead and speak on this hair for a second. Now this hair is a lot, okay? I did have to use some spritz to hold the curl in the front because this side right here wanted to act right, this side didn't. So I did have to take my spritz, my got to be blasting spray, and all I did was like spray it on the hair just like this to where it's formed because it didn't want to stay. You get what I'm saying? So that's what I did. And that's why you guys would probably see a bit of a, like, it might come off as a little crunchy, maybe. It may come off a little drier, you guys. It's because I did spray spritz on it. Also, I want to talk about the ends. Now, this hair is curly. I brushed out all the curls, you guys, to get this look. And it was a lot. I had to go off camera. You guys will see I went off camera because I need to really look and get into my hair, especially my synthetic wigs, because I have to really make them look good. So I did have to go off camera, you guys, but I think that this wig unit is still like one of those simple wigs, you guys. You just put them on and do the baby hairs and, you know, put some concealer or so in the party and then go about your day. Now with the ends, you guys, I do feel like they are a little frizzy, but if you're going for that messy look, which is, this wig is definitely messy, especially if you pull out the curls, then, I mean, I feel like it looks fine. So I'm gonna come up a little bit so you guys can see, or you can simply just cut this off because, you know, it's really kind of not needed. You can seriously clip this all off. And yeah, but it's a longer wig unit, so whatever with that, you can just fluff it out so it can all come together. I did not do any trimming or anything of that such, and this is how the wig came out. Again, I do feel like the ends are a little frizzy, you guys. However, this is a $50 synthetic wig unit, you guys. I don't know why you guys expect the utmost out of these wig units. I really don't. It's really just to get the look. It's so cheap, so I really don't think that you guys should expect to like have these wigs for literally a lifetime. Or you shouldn't hold them up to the high expectations of a human hair wig. This is synthetic hair. This hair can melt. So you're really just getting the look, you guys, of a human hair wig. I think that this is really cute. Actually, I really think this is like really voluminous. It's giving me the look. It's giving me the middle part vibes. Whoopie whoop, hoopie hoop. And it doesn't look bad, like, guys. However, I do feel like it is more on the tanglier side, okay? Because it's just curly. It's not curly, it's more spirally, but it's more on the tingly side. Especially I done sat and put all that product in it with the spritz and stuff like that. So it's definitely going to be giving off tingly. I think you guys can get a couple of wears out of this. You know, just make sure that you guys aren't sleeping in your synthetic wigs and make sure you're brushing them out before you put them in the packaging. And I think you guys will be a-okay. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this hair tutorial. hair tutorial. Again, these wigs are super quick for me to put on, you guys. It literally takes me just a couple of minutes to put them on and pull out the baby hairs, and boom, I have a wig. You know, like super quick. I think you guys should definitely try this wig out. I think it's super cute. I will link all the other Friday Night Hair videos that I previously reviewed on my YouTube channel down below in the description box. Also, if you guys would like to purchase this wig unit, I will have it down in the description box as well. Again, these wigs are $50, you guys, or $49.99. And you guys could definitely get the look. This is also for beginners. So if you're just wanting to like plan hair before you buy like a human hair wig, or so you just want to buy a, you know, a really fluffy wig you can put on and off or whatever occasionally and things like that. Or if you want to wear it every day, I think that you could. You're just going to have to maintain it a little bit more. I think that this wig unit would definitely be for you guys. I think that it's super cute and voluminous, and if you guys are looking for this look but at a super affordable price, this would definitely be it. Please remember that this is a synthetic wig, you guys. Please do not hold it up to the high expectations that you have of these human hair wigs, because this is not human hair. This is synthetic fibers, you guys. Okay, we're just getting the look, okay? Because I feel like a lot of you guys are just holding these synthetic wigs up to a high expectation. It's just like, no, it's $50 or less. You know, like, girl, you're not going to get human hair out of it, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this synthetic hair review. I do have more coming up soon, so look out for those. I think this is a really cute wig unit, you guys. It's only $50, and if you're looking for that voluminous look, this will be it. Again, thank you guys over at Friday Night Hair for sending me over this wig, and also thank you guys for watching. Anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media at _Rabiana Symone and Rabiana on Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.